Hello.
Yes, Abdul.
Yes, Abdul. Can you open your camera, please, if you have no issue?
Okay, just a moment. Just a moment.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Relax. Hello. Nice to see you.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, we are doing very well. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm okay.
Okay, thank you so much for joining with us. Should I start my presentation?
Please, you can start. Like
Okay,
I
thank.
said, I
Okay.
hustle around, so I don't I don't want to waste much of my time. My hours will go. But I think this one is also important. It may be of help.
Okay, okay. So we will talk about all the thing that you want to know. There is no issue.
Yeah.
Okay, so at first I'll have to introduce about ourselves and then we're gonna talk about our project. Myself, Rifat Sharkar, and in here another person. His name is Abdul. Actually, he's reach out to you and we are teammate. We are working together. And he's reach out to you. He will work with you. Okay. I'm his team member and agency owner also, and we are working together. We have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing digital marketing all types of services. So this purpose today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic, get more audience in your channel. Am I right? Yeah, so for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO, that means search engine optimization. And in this session, at first, we have to research your channel backend, your channel niche, category, your audience interest, behavior, etc., etc. And then we have to find out your niche, related, targeted, specific, high volume, and also low competitive keyword. I have seen you have tried to input some text, but your content is good, but your tags are not well, because in this session we have to research fast and we have to find out high volume and also low competitive keyword. And when we successfully input and include this type of keyword on your videos backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche, then your videos will choose YouTube and Google top search result. So this is the way. And also we have, just let me show my screen, then I can show you how is it work. Just can you see my screen right now?
Okay, I can see. I can
Okay,
see.
okay. So if you search on Google, just let me change my font. Okay. Just if you search on Google, just Rifat Sharkar and hit the enter button, then you can see it's me, it's my Facebook, and you can see it's my YouTube channel's video. You can see it's me. So when we successfully optimize your videos perfectly, then when your audience search on YouTube, your videos will show YouTube and Google top search result. And this is an example, and this is the way. Okay, so we have to do the perfect and powerful is SEO, so that we can get top search result. Okay, you can see it's
Okay.
me. Yes. So we have another two methods. Second one is organic promotion, and in this session we have to just simply copy your videos link and share by using social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Coda, Tumblr, Reddit. This type of social media site using millions of people, so we can share your videos to them by organically. And also we have another and last method, that's called Google Ads, that's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the paid work. But right now and for first, we will recommend you can choose the SEO one, because it's organic and very effective. So right now, can I share my screen another time, and that I can show you our previous work and their result? Okay,
You
Abdul.
can share. You can
Okay,
share.
okay. You can see Freelancing School BD. It's our website. And after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you our website and all of the link. Then you can also verify. Freelancing School BD dot site is our domain name. Can you see my screen? Okay, you can see it's me, the smiley man. And you can, if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see we have done a lots of projects. Just click on more, then you can see YouTube SEO project before and after. You can see the BDIQ, the YouTube certified SEO is tools. The score was 50 out of 100, and after this, so it's 100 out of 100. So you can also check YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management. Sorry, I have already said you we are doing all social media marketing, so you can see our all work and project, you can check. So if you click on our team section, then you can see our whole marketing team. And also, if you click on our client meeting section, then you can see we have done a lots of project out of here. So yes, you can check after finish our meeting. My colleague will send you all of the link and information, then you can verify. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Okay, no, thank you very much for your time. I've if you've noticed, I'm actually a small YouTuber who started, and going through many hurdles like to rank up and stuff like that. Previously, I think engaged one of the guy from Bangladesh, and what I discovered was, of course, he did whatever he did, and I saw some little views here and there, but I realized when it came to monetization, those views were not like monetized, they were just increasing, but nothing was coming and stuff like that. So from that time, I feel like maybe everyone else from Bangladesh would work like that. And you know that economically things everywhere are not okay. And when we invest a little into something, you know what I mean, right? So,
আমেরিকাতেও নেট প্রবলেম হয় ভাই, আর কই যামু?
but did you hear what I said? I don't know what you can say about that.
Can you repeat from start, because there was net issue?
Okay. All right. Can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, now we can.
Okay. So what I was saying is my previous experience where I engaged someone, okay, to do the issue of ranking, SEO and stuff like that. And basically they came from Bangladesh. You get my point, right?
Yes,
So they
got
did
it.
their rankings and then stuff like that. Now, when you are into the business or maybe you are doing something, when you invest a little that you afford to get from that point, I like maybe I can keep on struggling and put it that I can afford, but I'm not getting results. So I don't know how different are you from the rest, especially that you are also from Bangladesh.
Okay, I understood. Okay.
Yeah.
Right now, you need direct monetization, am I right?
Yeah, monetization, I've already passed that stage already. I did it. My
Okay.
channel is already monetized.
Okay. Now, what is your next goal?
Come again?
What is your next goal now?
Okay, my next goal is one, to rank up and increase. Of course, YouTube is about views and numbers, subscribers, and also like overall, optimization that will bring results, not just, optimization for nothing, but that will bring results. You know what I mean?
Yes, of course.
Yes. So those are the goals, or that is my goal. It's to rank up and big up the channel in terms of subscribers and views.
Yes, I understood. Okay. So for achieving your goal, we have to follow so many things. At first, we have to ensure qualityful content, and you have to create qualityful content. And for generating qualityful content, we can guide you. Like YouTube recommend 3 types of content, like hero content. This content, by this content, you will get a lots of views. And the second thing is you have to create engaging content so that people can engage with you. This is YouTube recommended thing. Okay. And also we have another and last type of content that YouTube recommend you. So after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you all of the thing via Google Sheet that YouTube recommend for you. So the first thing is we have to create our content as per YouTube recommend, as like hero content, engagement content, and the last content that he will send you. And the second thing is we have to use a strong hook on first part of videos so that people can decide these videos he will continue or not. Okay, so we have to use a strong hook, and then we have to ensure our videos that will be engaging so that we can get a good quality and good amount of views duration. Okay, because this thing really affect YouTube algorithm to understand these videos is good or not. Okay, so we have to use YouTube recommended content and also use a hook and also create our content engaging, and that we have to ensure proper SEO optimization so that our audience get our videos by searching or news feed. Okay, and then we have to ensure good quality of thumbnail so that when people see our videos they can click on our videos. Okay, because a good quality of thumbnail, how important, you know. So we have to ensure that thing. So we will guide you, not just a SEO expert, as a YouTube growth partner and growth manager. And I think you will see the result after one small period. So I will recommend you, you can choose our small package, and after this package, after this period, if you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with this result, then we can carry on for long time. But if you see not, you are not satisfied with the work, then you can fire us anytime. So we believe if you grow, we will grow, and our first goal is your satisfaction.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, I hear you, bro. I get you. I get you.
Okay. So should I explain our packages, budget, etc.?
Please go ahead. Let
Okay,
me hear
okay.
them out.
Okay, so right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, and in this package we will complete SEO optimization including organic promotion in 7 days in your 10 videos. In your 10 videos, complete SEO optimization including organic promotion work, and our 7 days package cost is 120 US dollar. And also we have another and monthly package, and in this package we will complete SEO optimization including organic promotion work and also including your whole channel backend optimization. And our monthly package cost is only 300 US dollar. So you can choose any package, and all those packages included all type of thing that I have said you before. That means a channel guide, thumbnail guide, and also the another thing that I have promised you.
Okay. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, now I can hear you. Yes.
Okay. No, no. Okay. That is good. I've heard.
Yeah, yeah.
So you are saying $120 is just for 7 days?
$120. It's basically it's for your 10 videos.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and 300
And
for
then
your 30
300 is
videos.
for
For 30
monthly
videos.
subscription.
Yes, yes. Yes, monthly subscription for your 30 videos.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll try to see if I can manage or I can afford basically maybe to try the smaller package. Though, I'm an African person and the economy is very bad. I have to mention that to you. And I'll see if I can manage. If I don't manage, I still come back to you and tell you to say, brother, I've not managed due to financial, inconsistencies or, and stuff like that.
Okay, I can understand. Okay, one more thing. If you choose our monthly package, especially for first month, then I can do for you a special discount for the first month, and it will be 250 US dollar for the first month. And I really believe if you just get our service, you will be very happy with it. So we can, I hope we can carry on this project for long time, because we are performance marketer, and we believe especially on result. Yes. So
Okay.
it's
Oh,
250 US dollar for the first month just for you.
okay.
Yeah, so after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you all of the information, and also after selecting the package, he will send you the payment invoice at Zakra. Then when you decide, then let him know. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, gentlemen, for your time. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.